PEER is a powerful safety leadership process suitable for all industries. Known to stop injuries, leaders randomly perform safety observations and conversations, reinforcing the positives. They identify the root cause of any negative behaviour. The leader logs in to our easy-to-use PEER software and enters what has been seen and talked about, using either an established data entry card or your customised checklist. Saving the data, the results are immediately available to view in tabular, graphical or text form. Providing meaningful slices of the data help companies focus on the opportunities that make a difference. A number of flexible tools help administrators maintain or extend the process to other locations and/or personnel. If you're looking for the edge to reduce the number of injuries experienced, be that safety leader and sign up for PEER to positively engage employee risk. You can sign up for a free demo by emailing us at info@bsms-inc.com. If you want to improve your people's leadership skills, visit peer-leader.com to view our training programs.